What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Brewell Product Reviews, and also I am reviewing techs and gadgets also. So all of products, techs and gadgets, EDC, bag, backpack, by camping, by packing, and etc. So today I'm gonna unboxing a new tech accessories from an Apple Watch. This is unboxing, and also it is a quick review. So let's head. This is the this is the product that I buy. So it's just a small parcel, and this the name of this is a wireless magnetic iWatch charger. So USB charger, tsaka, and also it fits for Apple Watch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, tsaka let's head over to my unboxing desk setup for the unboxing, and then after it we're gonna review the product. Okay.
Here we are in this my unboxing desk and also reviewing desk, hashtag reviewing desk, slash reviewing desk. So this is my new product. This is the what is this called? This is my wireless magnetic iWatch charger, USB charger for Apple Watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's open it up, guys. So the amount of this is 148 pesos. So this is the price of it, is because I just use a free shipping and I buy this on Shopee. So there's a free, what is this called? They have a free hope you leave a 5-star review or store. Best wishes. So, thank you so much for this free gift. Is a keychain of heart for Valentine's. So, thank you so much. What is this? Shout out to the store. So, I forgot the store. So, let's check it out, guys. So, this is what is this called? The Apple Watch charger, wireless. This is the wireless. Okay, there it is, guys. So, it's so compact and lightweight, so I don't know how. Oh, nice. This is a, yes, USB rechargeable. And let's check how many. uh let's try to, what is this called, to weighing scale. Okay, let's try to weigh this thing. Here it goes. So it's only 19. Look at that. It's only 19 grams of the what is called, charger. Wireless iWatch charger. So it is only okay, 18. Okay, final is the 18. So 18 grams and ounce. Okay, and also the tare weight. Okay. 18, it's only 18. And then what is this dimension of this? So I think the dimension of this, 142 L and 18 02, and also, yes, and this is the weight kilogram of it. There's a 0.03. Okay, 0.03 kilogram weight, kilogram. So that's for the what is called that. And then we're gonna try to what is this called, charge my iWatch. And so there it is, guys. So let's gonna, oops, I think, Okay, there it goes, and let's try if it's working. Yes, guys, look at that, guys. Look at that. Yes, it's working. It's working. Very, very good. I love it. So I can charge my Apple Watch when I'm on the go, and everywhere I go I can charge my watch. Look at that. Yes, okay. Look at that, it's charging it up, and you can see it is so nice that I have this. So in the other online shop, too much expensive the like this one. So I just buy this in Shopee. So Shopee uh is not so, what is this called, too much price. So in Shopee is almost everything is good, and I love it. So it's just easy to, you can put this in your side pocket, and you can put this in your bag, and you can put this in your everything, in your EDC. You can put this as an EDC. You can have this as an EDC, what is this called, EDC bag. And what's in my EDC, right? So you can use this everywhere, and everywhere on the go. Love it. Is so lightweight and compact. No, so look at that. So you can have it like that. So it's very, 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 very compact, and you can see that, and so magnetic. Oops, sorry for that. Okay, so magnetic, and yes, it is magnetic. Okay, okay, like that one. Yes, it's a magnetic. So I just have to to catch if it is okay. What, this is good, this is great. I love the what is this called, I love this iWatch charger wireless. So you can put this anywhere. Okay, and then you can charge up into your power banks, like this one. Like, yeah, this is great.
That was, guys, that was my unboxing in quick review of the Apple iWatch charger wireless. So this is the wireless charger for my Apple iWatch, and then just like this one, okay, like this one. Right, good job, and it is working really, really good. And if you want to buy, so I will link down below the Shopee link in the description box here in my channel. So, and I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you have some new, what is this called, new tech and gadget found in my channel. So I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to my channel right now, and then please subscribe more, okay? And then so you can watch all of my videos here in my channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you again on my next video. Thank you, and thumbs up everyone.